Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am September. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm sitting here having, doing a little mukbang. It's some shrimp. And excuse the hair because I'm gonna get it sewn in tomorrow. That's why I look like this, y'all. I'm gonna get it sewn in. I'm back with another mukbang. Some little small little shrimp, and a little potato. Some small because I'm trying to watch my figure right now. I got a show coming up on the 10th of November at Mr. A's Club in Houston, Texas. On Cavalcade Road. I have a show I'm opening up for a friend of mine's birthday bash, Q-Boy, of the Shadow Mob SPC. I'm opening up for his birthday bash in Houston. So, yeah. So right now I'm trying to watch what I eat until then. Once the show is over, then, But yeah. Yeah, y'all, but hot. Like I said, I got a show coming up. I'm excited. I'm very, 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 very excited. Yep, I'm excited. If y'all new or haven't been to my channel before, shoot. Welcome to my channel. I be doing like shows and stuff. I do mukbangs. I'm gonna do a seafood boil with king crab. That potato, y'all. Yeah, it's good and spicy. I got this from Lotus. It's called Lotus Seafood, Houston, Texas. It's great. I haven't tried LA crawfish yet. I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, this is one of my favorite spots that I go to. Yeah, like I said, y'all, like and subscribe to my channel, please, if this is your first time watching me. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, y'all think I got some on my lens, but yeah, hello, hello, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Subscribe. And if y'all can get this video up, we can do more seafood mukbangs. Y'all can y'all can you know what I'm saying, y'all can get to know more of me, you know what I'm saying. I get to tell y'all about September. It's a lot of smacking. Ooh. Yes, honey. Ooh. Yes, like and subscribe. Hit the notification button, please. Ouch. Shoot. Yeah, I like shrimp, but it's over here stabbing me. I think it's stabbing me. Oh. Yeah, like I said, please like and subscribe so I can do more seafood bangs with y'all, mukbangs. Get to know your girl. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Show your girl some love. Ooh, it's spicy, y'all. I'm almost finished, too. Try not to make this long. You know what I'm saying? Just came here to show y'all some love. I love y'all. Excuse me. Ooh. Baby, it's time me to put this down. This wanna fight me back. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I wasn't gonna. I'm not gonna fight with this thing, okay? Excuse me. There's a lot of burping and slurping and smacking and cracking on this video. All right, y'all. Last one. Yeah, honey. That was good. Spicy. I don't have too much spicy. I don't want to have heartburn, okay? All right. And my gum. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, my name is September. If you guys are new to my channel, this is September's Eating and Story Time Vlog. Yes, hit the notification button and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Let's get this video up so we can get this king crab seafood bunk popping. Okay. Hit the notification button. Bye, y'all.